Alright, let's look at the homework 5, problem number 6. Alright, so we want to prove that the arctangent of z is equal to this rather complex expression. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, first I'm gonna just call this guy, so arctangent of z, w, say. So I'm gonna say let arctangent of z is equal to w, right? But we don't like arctangent and we're looking for w, so I'm gonna just rewrite it in terms of regular tangent. So it's going to be a tangent of w is equal to z, right? And tangent of w can be rewritten as, we don't know too much about tangent, so we're going to write it as a sine of w over cosine of w is equal to z, right? And we know the definition of sine of w is sine of w would be e to the iw minus e to the negative iw over 2, right? Then you have cosine, so it's going to be e to the iw plus e to the negative iw over, right, 2. Actually, I forgot I here because sine is 2i on the bottom, right? So we can simplify this by, let's see, multiply top and is equal to z, right? Right. Then we're gonna multiply top and bottom by 2, actually. So multiply by 2, right? Multiply bottom by 2, right? That way we can cancel 2 here and 2 there, right? Then there's I here, so I'm going to multiply both sides by I so that the I is gone. So this is going to become, right, e to the iw minus e to the negative iw over, right, e to the iw plus e to the negative iw, right? So since we multiply both sides by I, so this I cancel out, then you're going to have a I z, right? Then I'm going to go over here, right? So just like before, other example we looked at, we're going to let u be e to the iw, right? And which means that u to the negative 1 is the same thing as e to the negative iw, right? So we can rewrite this guy as u minus u to the negative 1 over u plus u to the negative 1 is equal to iz, right? Then multiply both sides by u plus u to the negative 1, right? So multiply both sides by u plus u to the negative 1. You get u minus u to the negative 1 is equal to I z u, right, plus I z u to the negative 1, right? So I don't like u to the negative 1. I'm going to multiply everyone by u, right? That way you will get u squared minus 1 is equal to, right, izu plus, actually squared, plus iz, right? Then you will get, so this is going to be equal to, right? So I'm gonna, let's see, let's see, subtract IZU square, sorry, right, and add 1 to it. So that way we have all the u's on one side. So it's going to be, let's see, 1 minus, so I z, then you have u squared, right? Then you add 1, so you're going to have 1 plus iz, right? Then you have, we can just divide through by 1 minus iz. That will get you u squared over, is equal to 1 plus iz, right? Then you have divided by 1 minus iz. All right, then I'm gonna, so I try not to finish the whole thing, so can you go from there? So first we have to solve for u by taking the square root. Then once you find u, then remember that the u is up here, e to the iw. So all you really have to do is e to the iw equals to square root of that. Then try to solve for w from there. So I'll just say, so this is going to be, so take the square root and so on, right? Then hopefully you can finish this up, right? So you should be able to get this expression, all right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.